English Learning Journal.
English Speaking and Listening for Beginner. Level A1. Introduce yourself. My name is John. I'm 27 years old and I'm from the United States. I live in a small town called Millfield. It's a quiet town with friendly people. I like living here because it's peaceful and I can relax after work. I work as a teacher at the local primary school. I teach children aged 6 to 10 years old. It's a challenging job, but I love it. I like working with children and helping them learn new things. My favorite subject to teach is English. In my free time, I like to play sports. I'm a big fan of basketball and football. I play basketball with my friends every Saturday. It's a good way to exercise and have fun. I also like to read books. My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. It's a classic novel that everyone should read. I live with my girlfriend, Sarah. She's a nurse at the local hospital. We met in college and have been together for 5 years. We don't have any children yet, but we hope to start a family soon. That's a little bit about me. I'm looking forward to hearing more about you.
Travel. My name is Sarah and I'm 30 years old. I love to travel and experience new cultures. Last year, I went on a trip to Thailand with my best friend, Jane. We stayed in Bangkok for the first few days and visited some of the city's famous landmarks, such as the Grand Palace and Wat Arun. We also took a boat ride along the Chao Phraya River, which was a great way to see the city from a different perspective. After Bangkok, we traveled to Chiang Mai in the north of Thailand. It was a smaller city, but it had a lot of charm. We visited an elephant sanctuary and got to feed and bathe the elephants. It was an amazing experience. One of the highlights of our trip was visiting the island of Phuket. We stayed in a beachfront hotel and spent our days relaxing on the beach and swimming in the clear blue waters of the Andaman Sea. We also took a day trip to Phi Phi Islands, which was absolutely stunning. Overall, our trip to Thailand was unforgettable. The people were friendly, the food was delicious, and the scenery was breathtaking. I can't wait to plan my next adventure.
The zoo? Hi, my name is Tom and I'm 25 years old. One of my favorite places to visit is the zoo. I love seeing all the animals and learning about their habitats and behaviors. Last week, I went to the local zoo with my sister and her kids. It was a beautiful day, and we were lucky to see all the animals up close. We started our tour by visiting the big cats, such as lions and tigers. They were sleeping, but we could still see their majestic bodies. Next, we went to the monkey exhibit. There were several types of monkeys, including spider monkeys and chimpanzees. They were swinging from tree to tree and playing with each other. It was very entertaining to watch. We also saw some reptiles, such as alligators and snakes. They were fascinating, but a bit scary too. We made sure to stay behind the fences and watch them from a safe distance. The highlight of our visit was the elephant show. We watched as the elephants performed various tricks, such as balancing on a ball and spraying water from their trunks. The kids were thrilled and so were we. Overall, it was a great day at the zoo. We learned a lot about the animals and had a lot of fun. I can't wait to go back and see more. Sport. Hi, my name is Jack and I'm 28 years old. I love playing sports and being active. My favorite sport is basketball. Last weekend, I played basketball with my friends at the local park. We had a great time and played for several hours. We split into 2 teams and played a competitive game. It was a close match, but my team ended up winning by 2 points. After the game, we went to the nearby cafe to grab a drink and some snacks. We talked about the game and made plans for our next match. Basketball is not the only sport I enjoy playing. I also like playing tennis and going for a run. I find sports to be a great way to stay fit and healthy, as well as a way to socialize and have fun. I encourage everyone to try out different sports and find one that they enjoy. It doesn't have to be basketball or tennis, it could be anything from soccer to swimming. Just get out there and have fun.
Food. My name is Anna and I'm 30 years old. I love trying new foods and exploring different cuisines. Last week, I went to a Thai restaurant with my friends. It was my first time trying Thai food and I was excited to see what it was all about. We started with some appetizers, such as spring rolls and chicken satay. They were delicious and had a perfect balance of sweet and savory flavors. For the main course, I ordered pad thai, a stir-fried noodle dish with vegetables and peanuts. It was a bit spicy for my taste, but I still enjoyed it. My friends ordered different dishes, such as curry and fried rice, and we shared everything. To finish our meal, we had mango sticky rice, a dessert made of sticky rice, coconut milk, and fresh mango. It was a perfect ending to a great meal. Overall, I really enjoyed my experience at the Thai restaurant. The food was flavorful and the atmosphere was cozy. I can't wait to try more Thai dishes and explore other cuisines in the future. Travel. My name is Sarah and I'm 25 years old. I love to travel and explore new places. Last month, I went on a trip to Paris with my family. It was my first time visiting the city and I was excited to see all the famous landmarks. We started our trip by visiting the Eiffel Tower. It was amazing to see it up close and take pictures. We then walked to the Champs-Élysées and did some shopping. The street was full of beautiful shops and cafes. The next day, we visited the Louvre Museum and saw the famous Mona Lisa painting. It was crowded, but still worth it. We also visited Notre Dame Cathedral, but unfortunately it was closed for renovation. On our last day in Paris, we visited the Palace of Versailles. It was stunning and had beautiful gardens. We walked around and enjoyed the scenery. Overall, I had a great time in Paris and would love to visit again. The city has so much history and culture to offer. I also enjoyed spending time with my family and making memories.
Thank you for learning English with us. Don't forget to subscribe to English Hub channel.
Sport. My name is David and I'm 28 years old. I enjoy playing and watching sports in my free time. Last weekend, I played basketball with my friends. We rented a court at a local park and played a few games. It was a great workout and a fun way to spend the afternoon. After playing basketball, I went to the gym to lift weights. I like to keep my body in shape and maintain a healthy lifestyle. I also enjoy running and do it regularly in the mornings. In the evening, I watched a soccer match on TV. It was a championship game between two top teams. The game was intense and exciting to watch, with both teams scoring multiple goals. In the end, the game ended in a tie. I believe sports are a great way to stay active and healthy. They also provide opportunities to meet new people and build friendships. I look forward to playing and watching more sports in the future.
The exercise. Hi, my name is Lisa and I'm 30 years old. I like to take care of my health and well-being. To stay healthy, I exercise regularly and eat a balanced diet. I like to go for a run in the park or do yoga at home. It helps me to relieve stress and keep my body in shape. I also pay attention to my mental health by practicing mindfulness and meditation. It helps me to stay focused and calm in my daily life. In addition, I go for regular checkups at the doctor's office to make sure everything is okay. I believe prevention is key to maintaining good health. Lastly, I make sure to get enough sleep every night. It's important to give your body enough rest to recharge and be ready for the next day. Overall, taking care of your health is essential for a happy and fulfilling life. I encourage everyone to make it a priority in their daily routine. Go to travel. My name is Rachel and I love to travel. Last summer, I went on a trip to Europe with my family. We visited many different countries and cities, including France, Italy, and Spain. We saw famous landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and the Colosseum, and tried local food at restaurants and cafes. One of my favorite parts of the trip was when we went hiking in the Swiss Alps. The scenery was breathtaking and we saw many beautiful flowers and wildlife. It was a challenging hike, but it felt rewarding to reach the top and see the stunning views. We also visited some museums and art galleries to learn about the history and culture of the places we were visiting. It was interesting to see how different countries had different traditions and customs. Overall, it was an amazing trip and I feel grateful to have had the opportunity to travel and see new things. I can't wait to plan my next adventure.
Work. My name is John and I work as a teacher. I love my job because I get to help students learn and grow every day. As a teacher, I prepare lesson plans and create activities to engage students in the classroom. I also grade assignments and tests to track their progress and provide feedback to help them improve. In addition to teaching, I also participate in staff meetings and professional development opportunities to learn new strategies and techniques for teaching. One of the most rewarding parts of my job is seeing my students succeed. It's amazing to see them understand a difficult concept or master a new skill. I feel proud to be a part of their journey and to help them achieve their goals. Overall, being a teacher is a fulfilling and challenging career. It requires patience, creativity, and dedication, but it's also incredibly rewarding. I feel lucky to have found a job that I love and that allows me to make a positive impact in the lives of others.